Hi everyone, welcome to OneNext Labs. So in this video, I'm going to cover the data types supported by Tableau. So in Tableau, the supported data types are text, that is your string values, date and time values, numerical values. It can be both decimal as well as the real number, and Boolean values, also the geographical values. Okay. Each data type is being specified by the symbol. So the string values are denoted by ABC. Date value, you can see a calendar symbol. In case if you have like date and time, in that cases you will have a smaller time symbol along with calendar symbol, and then hash represents the numerical values, and if it is a Boolean value, it will be denoted by true or false, and if you have any geographical values, you will have a geographical symbol. Okay, so any field, when you connect to any data source, each and every field is denoted by a default data type, which it takes from your original data source itself. Okay, so when I am connecting to Excel or when I am connecting to a SQL server, whatever data types that field supports from that original data source will be reflected in Tableau also. After that, if you want to switch from one data type to another, that is also possible. Okay, let's see the demo. So now here I have taken the order tables. So you can see the corresponding columns in the order table. You can see each column is being represented by a data type symbol. So row ID is represented by hash, which denotes it is a numerical value. So it can be either a decimal number or a whole number. Any numerical value will be denoted by hash symbol. In case of date value, if the date value has the default date as the type, then you can see the calendar symbol. Strings are denoted by ABC. And in Tableau, it supports the map visualizations. So when you are connected to any data source, and if that data source has columns like country, state, city, any geographical areas, that needs to be denoted by the corresponding geographical role. By default, it holds the data type string. Along with that, we should also set the geographical role. So you have these many geographical roles, whether it is a country or a state or a city or a region, or it is a zip code or a state code or an area code, airport. So according to the roles, you need to map the corresponding geographical role. Only then you can use that field to create map visualizations in Tableau. And in case if you have any Boolean values, it will be denoted by true or false. And if you have both date and time, then you will be see the small calendar symbol. In case you just have date and but you have the data type as date and time, it will just give 00 for your minutes, seconds and hours. You can easily switch from one data type to another. See, now I have changed the data type of date to string values. Again, I am changing back to date. So you can easily switch from one data type to another, but it should be a supported data type. Okay, these are the data types available in Tableau. Once again, let me brush up. String values, date and time values, numerical values, Boolean values, geographical values. Thanks for listening to the video.